On Triad today, time to make music, sort of, at least with one of the guys. Three special guests with me, and courtesy of Daggett, Shuler, you know, David and Griff sitting behind me, but our special guest who hasn't been here a few years, Willie Mason. He's the founder and director of Willie Mason and Friends. Good to see you again.
Good to see you as well.
Hey, Joe.
Willie, let's remind people, you started the choir 15 years ago.
Absolutely.
Why'd you do that?
So June 5th is the day, 2009, just right after my mother had passed. I kept having a dream about this group, and I finally sent an email out with what the dream was about, and then 11 people showed up for that first rehearsal on June 5th.
And the dream has been realized.
It is a reality. Here we are 15 years later.
David, why has your firm been so supportive of Willie and the group over the years?
Well, first of all, Willie and I are brothers, as you can tell, and have been good friends for a long time. But music is kind of the universal language. And not only does it speak to people of all types, it also bridges communities. It bridged the two of us into a community, into a friendship.
Right.
And it's powerful.
And Griff, from a business standpoint, what do you say to other businesses about supporting something like this?
Well, you know, David and I have involved in a lot of different things in the community, and you know, you can get involved as a business in sports and young people and other things. But the gift of music and a music ministry is something, and the arts in general is something I think that it's very important in a community for the business to get behind that and be able to really inspire everyone through the gift of music.
Right.
And the arts are something that we all should be getting behind as businesses.
All right, well, let's talk about the upcoming concert. When is it? What's it about?
It's going to be Sunday, June 2nd at 5 o'clock p.m. at Galilee Missionary Baptist Church, which is 4129 Northampton Drive here in Winston-Salem. The concert is going to feature the choir in a full two-part concert. Got some special guests, including the mayor will be with us.
Right.
Special guests, Flag Ministry, Wingspan would be our special guest.
Mayor Jones isn't going to sing, is he?
I'm trying to get him there. Quite there yet. Yes, absolutely.
You know, David, just we didn't rehearse this or anything, but David, he's talking about holding it at a church. But this is really sort of a non-denominational thing for everybody, right?
Oh yeah, they invite everybody, and everybody's welcome. And if you can't get bonded by this experience, it'd be hard, because they're really, really good.
Yeah.
Willie won't let me sing. Every now and then, I don't roll your eyes. Every now and then he lets me introduce him, and I love saying, raising the sounds of joy.
That's right. Willie, let me circle back a minute to what Griff and I were talking about. Why is it important for individuals and businesses to support your mission?
Well, like David said, music is the universal language. And one of the things we have, Willie Mason and Friends, over the years, our community effort at nursing homes. Every year we take a fall tour in October, and one of the highlights of the tour is what we call our community impact. Where last year we were in Chicago, we went to Pacific Garden Missions. We had a chance to feed that homeless population and then provide a chapel concert. And so we always want to give back to the community, and that's a good way for businesses to help us to make a difference in the communities in which we live and work.
What kind of feedback do you get from people?
Oh, excellent, positive feedback. Here's the thing, we get in trouble because every year, like Pacific Garden Missions or New Orleans Mission, wherever we go, they're like, can you come back next year? No, we're not coming back to New Orleans. We're going somewhere else differently. So when we do return to those cities and states, they really welcome us there. And the people, that population there, are most appreciative because we take the gospel outside of the building, just like you said, and bring it to the community.
He has a couple of taglines: making a difference through music ministry and stronger together. And both those things they really do.
And their quality is superb. I mean, y'all, it's wonderful. And the singers involved, he has a wonderful voice.
Oh, yeah. Well, it's too bad we don't have enough time for you to sing for us, but
good.
Up on screen, I just want to remind everybody, Willie Mason and Friends 15th anniversary concert, Sunday, June 2nd, 5 p.m., Galilee Missionary Baptist Church. Again, as I said, non-denominational. Everybody's going to love it. You can go to williemasonandfriends.com website. And if you'd ever need the services of Griff and David, you can go to daggettshulerlaw.com or call them at 724-1234. And David.